Hello, assalamu guys. Welcome to our channel QAF Vlogs. How do we use login information? We use login information including but not limited to IP addresses, IPs, and browser types to analyze trends, administrate the sites, track a user movement and use, and gather broad demographic information. What partners of for services providers have access to personally identifiable information from visitor and or active customers on the site. We have entered into and will continue to enter into partnership and other affiliations with several vendors. Such vendors may have access to certain personally identifiable information on a need to know basis for evaluating authorities customers for service eligibility. Our privacy policy does not cover their collection or use of this information. Disclosure of personally identifiable information to comply with law. We will disclose personally identifiable information in order to comply with a court order or subpoena or a request from a law enforcement agency to release information. We will also disclose personally identifiable information when reasonably necessary to protect the safety of our visitor and authorized customers. How does the site keep personally identifiable information secure? All of all of our employees are familiar with our security policy and practices. The personally identifiable information of our visitor and authorized customers is only accessible to a limited number of qualified employees who are given a password in order to gain access to the information. We audit our security system and process on a regular basis. Sensitive information such as credit card number or social security numbers is protected by encrypt protocols in place to protect information sent over the internet. While we take commercially responsible measures to maintain a secure site, electronic communication and database are subject to errors, tampering and break-ins, and we cannot guarantee or warrant that such events will not take place, and we will not be liable to visitor or authorized customers for any such occurrence. How can visitor correct any incurrence in personally identifiable information? Visitor and authorized customers may contact us to update personally identifiable information about them or to correct any incorrigible. By contacting us from the About Us page, can a visitor delete or deactivate personally identifiable information collected by the site? We provide a visitor and authorized customers with a mechanism to delete deactivated personally identifiable information from the site's database by email. However, because of backups and records of delegations, it may be impossible to delete a visitor entry without retaining some residual information. Any individual who request to have personally rating some residual information, and an individual who request we have personally identifiable information deactivated will have this information functionality deleted, and we will not sell, transfer or use personally identifiable information relating to that individual in any way moving forward. What happens if the privacy policy changes? We will let our visitor and authorized customers know about changes to our privacy policy by posting such changes on the site. However, if we are changing our privacy policy in a manner that might cause disclosure of personally identifiable information. Data visitor or authorized customer has previously requested not be disclosed. We will contact such visitor or authorized customers to allow such visitor or authorized customers to prevent such disclosure links. This website contains links to other websites. Please note that when you click on one of these links, you are moving to another website. We encourage you to read the privacy statement of these linked sites, as their privacy policies might differ from ours. Any earnings or income statement or earnings or income examples are not typical, and such there. If you rely upon our figures, you must accept the risk of not doing as well. Internet business are earnings derived therefrom have unknown risk involved and are not suitable for everyone. Making a decision based off any information presented in our products, services, or website should be done only with the knowledge that you could experience significant losers of make no money at all. All products or services by our company are for educational and informational purposes only. Use caution and seek the advice of qualified professionals. Check with our accountant, lawyers, or professional advisor before acting on this or any information. Users of our product, services, and websites are advised to do their own due diligence when it comes to making business decisions, and all information, products, and services that have been provided should be independently verified by your own qualified professionals. Or information, product, and services of this website should be carefully considered and evaluated before reaching a business decision of whether or to rely on them. All disclosures and disclaimers made here or on our sites apply equally to any offers, prices, or inquiries may be made by our company. If you are agree that our company is not responsible for the success or failure of your business decision relating to any information presented by our company or our company product or services. Thanks for watching, my friends. Allah Hafiz.